Kucherov turns it for Hedman. Across the floor to line, left circle. Victor Hedman walks in left corner, left circle. Kucherov! Score! Kucherov! He snaps a 10-game goal drought.
He came into this game actually tied for the scoring lead, as Patrick Kane has had a couple of points earlier on today and is tied with him. Well, now Kucherov has regained the lead to the best of my knowledge right now. And this one, not a great goal for Reimer to give up. It leaks through him from a bad angle. But Kucherov was certainly due for that. He's hit a couple of goal posts, and you can see that.
Circle Trocheck. Cross his feet, Pesek open. Shoot! Saved by Domingue. Wide of the net after he made the stop. Major breakdowns there by the Lightning. They lost track of Pesek, who got loose, sneaking in from the right point. That nearly got through Domingue. Puck grabbed by Miller. JT Miller in his own near corner. Sweeps it for Stamkos. That was a nice pass. Stamkos takes it out to center ice and connects with Strawman across the Panthers line, right circle. In front, Stamkos! Score! On just their second shot in the period, a give and go. Stamkos to Strawman, back to Stamkos. He drove to the front of the net and redirected that one up and over the glove of Reimer. I was going to say with one hand on the stick, but he did have both hands on the stick, but he kind of put the blade in front of himself so he could get to it on his backhand. A little chip shot there. Perfectly deflected by Stamkos. Circle and a traffic jam, and then a pass taken away by Joseph, and he got knocked to the ice. No call. He does turn it out to center ice. Callahan, maybe a breakaway. Callahan in alone. Backhand shot. Score! What a goal for Ryan Callahan! Just as the penalty expired, Joseph probably drew a penalty that they did not call, as he was basically hooked and tackled, but he still maneuvered it forward, and Callahan outraced Ekblad, got in the clear, and finished on a backhand. That's got to feel great for Ryan Callahan. And the Lightning back up by 2. What a huge goal. The penalty had just expired 4 seconds earlier. Left corner, it's Miller. Back for Stamkos, left circle. Center point, Hedman. A man right on him, Barkov. Left circle, Stamkos. Cross ice, Kucherov, right circle. Right corner for Miller. JT Miller, right circle. Miller pivoting. Right circle, point, shoots, score! Brayden Point, quick release, top shelf, over Luongo's stick. Another power play goal for Brayden Point, who moves into a tie again for the league lead with David Pastrnak, 15 power play goals. And Point has matched his career high in goals, now 32. He had 32 a year ago. That was a nifty play between Miller and Point. They both moved in opposite directions and really mixed up the Panthers, I think. Kucherov at the right point. Right circle to Johnson. Right circle Kucherov. Little centering feed Point. High slot Stamkos. Right circle Kucherov. Shoots! Score! Well, Kucherov adds another power play goal for the Lightning to make it 5-2. They are 2 for 3 now. And it's 5-2 with 47.2 seconds left. The Lightning have been lethal on 5-on-3s this year. Stamkos and Point assist.
That's a beautiful setup by Stamkos again. 5-on-3 when Stamkos is dead center. They've got to recover, Florida that is, into the middle of the ice. And Kucherov will just get himself into prime position. The puck's right in the wheelhouse.
Louis Domingue is going to hold the franchise record for consecutive wins by goalie, 10. And he has earned this 10-game winning streak. But another excellent performance by Louis. He makes 25 saves. The Lightning win it 5-2.